Hey y'all, what's up? This is Jason with Davis Sunglasses. I'd like to show you a new pair of sunglasses I have here today. And this is a familiar style name. It's a reused style name. It's very similar to its previous version. This is called the RAZE Eyewear J-frame. Okay, they are polarized. They have the brown polarized lens, or some people would call it amber tinted. Me personally, I think an amber tint would be more like a yellow lens, but people do refer to this as amber. And you see this frame, it looks like a crystal gray. It's a transparent gray. Kind of has a matte finish, as you can tell here. It's not shiny. Got some rubber where it sits on the ears. Okay, and we also have a rubber nose piece at the top and on the sides here. Okay, and of course, brown lens, when you look through it, it doesn't turn everything brown like that. It does give everything a slightly different hue, but to me, it kind of makes the colors pop. Shields your eyes from the harsh elements, and it doesn't make everything like dark. It just takes the harshness away from the sun, but makes the colors prettier. Okay, if you like these sunglasses, I'm about to follow this up with a whole bunch of pictures of these glasses. There are pictures that will be used in the eBay listing for these glasses, and if you'd like to get you a pair of these glasses, check out these pictures and follow the link at the in the video description, and there'll be a link to the listing for these glasses. Okay, these are called J-frame, and they're by RAZE Eyewear. Thank y'all for checking out these glasses. I hope y'all like them. Y'all have a good day. Later.